In a bid to move from a minerals-led to a knowledge-based economy, the government of Botswana is implementing reforms to diversify the economy and make Botswana's products and services more competitive on the world stage. The information and communication technology sector is expected to contribute to these efforts. There is a high potential for ICT to open up new opportunities, new jobs and development opportunities, especially for youth in new occupational areas such as digital design, online content production and data analytics. As an indicator of its prospects, over the last decade, Botswana invested extensively in infrastructure to support the vision of a digital-enabled development, with $32.3 million being invested into the Trans-Kalahari Fiber Network. The network is intended to deliver 2,000 kilometers of optical fiber across Botswana and to link into nearby countries such as Namibia and South Africa. Against the background of these major investments, the Botswana Innovation Hub, whose aim is to stimulate and nurture innovation and use ICT as a transformational tool towards creating a knowledge-based society, has begun supporting startups and existing local companies through incubation and commercialization of innovations and technology to contribute towards competitiveness and national priorities. ICT investment in Botswana presents an opportunity for growth in research and development as well as global competitiveness in ICT. Opportunities within this sector include communications and security, TV broadcasting, software and app development, and ICT solutions and hardware in agriculture, BPO and call centers, e-health, e-education, e-commerce, e-tourism, including innovative money operations. Botswana is slowly but surely establishing itself as a center for innovation. The current National Strategic Master Plan, dubbed Vision 2036, aims to realize these goals by transforming Botswana from an upper-middle-income country to a high-income country by 2036. Be part of our journey into the fourth industrial revolution. Further your investment with us. Come invest in Botswana in the innovation space. Botswana, our pride, your destination.